The original tail lamp lenses can often become cracked and dried out over the years. When they do, it can pose problems for the effectiveness of your rear brake light lens. Now is a great time to replace it with a quality reproduction from us. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1969 Cadillac taillight lenses. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. Manufactured from injection molded red plastic, these taillight lenses are the most authentic reproductions on the market. They are reminiscent of the original fin-style lenses a decade prior to production in that they carry a similar shape. We use case-hardened steel tooling to ensure the quality and authenticity of every part. Each lens is injection molded red plastic and includes the correctly located mounting holes, genuine guide markings, and OEM diffuser lines for authenticity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.